Hello guys, welcome to episode 7 of 18 area with Spusiso Chauke. We've got another weekend of football. As always, we give predictions for the Premier League. So let's try again guys. So the first fixture that we've got is Newcastle playing against Arsenal. Newcastle losing 2-1 to Chelsea last time out, with Arsenal getting a draw at Liverpool. So against Liverpool, Arsenal showed how strong they are. So in this fixture, I'm going to go for an Arsenal win, Arsenal to win at Newcastle. The second fixture, we've got Liverpool playing against Brighton. Liverpool getting a draw at Arsenal, with Brighton drawing 2-2 at Wolves. So Liverpool are playing at home. I know they've lost at home in this season, but they are way too strong whenever they play at home. So I'm going to go for a Liverpool win in this fixture. The next one, we've got Southampton and Everton. Southampton losing to Manchester City 1-0, with Everton getting a draw at Fulham. So Southampton still without a win this season. I'm going to go for an Everton win. Everton to win against Southampton. Another fixture, we've got Bournemouth playing against Manchester City. Bournemouth getting a draw at Aston Villa, with Manchester City winning at Southampton. So both teams are good, they play good football, and with Bournemouth having won at home against Arsenal, one of the strongest teams in the Premier League. And now they're playing at home against City. I'm gonna go for either team to win in this one. Another fixture, we've got Forest playing against West Ham. Forest winning at Leicester 3-1, with West Ham getting a win against Manchester United. So this one for me is a bit tough, but I'll go for West Ham winning at Manchester United. Obviously, it gave them that confidence, so they'll win this one against Forest. And then we've got Ipswich playing against Leicester City. Ipswich losing 4-3 to Brentford, and Leicester losing 3-1 to Forest. Both teams coming from the Championship. I'll go for a Leicester City win. Ipswich still without a win this season. I don't see them winning this weekend. I see a Leicester City win. We've got Wolverhampton playing against Crystal Palace. Wolverhampton playing to a 2-2 draw against Brighton, with Crystal Palace getting their first win of the season against Spurs. Another tough fixture, but in this fixture I'll go for Wolverhampton win. I did predict Wolverhampton to win the last time out, but they did not. So this time around I see them winning, and hopefully they win. Another fixture, we've got Spurs, Tottenham Hotspur playing against Aston Villa. Spurs losing 1-0 to Crystal Palace, with Aston Villa getting a draw at Bournemouth. This one for me, I'll go for an Aston Villa win against Spurs. Another fixture, the big one, we've got Manchester United playing against Chelsea. Manchester United losing 2-1 to West Ham in their last game, and Chelsea winning against Newcastle. I'm gonna go for a Manchester United win. Reason being, Eric Ten Hag is gone, and I believe he was the reason for these losses and all that, because they won last night in the cup against Leicester City, if I remember well. They won 5-2, so they are winning this one against Chelsea for me. The last fixture on Monday, we've got Fulham playing against Brentford. Fulham getting a draw at Everton, with Brentford winning 4-3 against Ipswich. I'll go for either team to win again in this fixture, because both teams are good. They can score. They've got good players. So I'm going for either team to win this game. So guys, those are my predictions for the weekend. Hopefully I get them right, because it's always 4, as I did mention last week. So it's 4 or 3 predictions that I get right, but I know eventually I'll get more than that. So hopefully this is the weekend. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. See you guys again next week. Thank you so much. Bye.